Hi, my name is Al Duwell with Lakeshore Electrical Sales. I'm here representing Hammond, specifically talking about encapsulated transformers for harsh environments. They're sometimes referred to as potted. They feature core and coil that are fully sealed in epoxy and silica aggregate. Construction protects against dust, moisture, corrosion, making them good for Class 1, Div 2, and industrial applications. We offer two series, the Fortress and the Titan, commonly used in mining industry, chemical plants, pulp and paper, and the food processing. One of the key benefits for this transformer is the door accessible bottom on the transformer. If you have any interest in this product, please reach out to your Standard Electric representative.